If you want to start a business with a little investment, here are some beneficial business ideas that can provide financial stability and development. First, you must pick what sort of company you want to establish. With the pandemic crisis that has continued to prevail, most offline companies have gone digital. As a result, the market for and demand for internet business is rising. As a result, the unique business ideas we will cover here are mostly online. While some of those company concepts may be operated and executed utilizing offline techniques. Hello and welcome to today's video. We are back with yet another educating, entertaining video for you. We will discuss business ideas that require little or no investment to start. Before we do that, please give the channel a sub and turn on the post notification bell. With that done, let's get this rolling. Number 10. Online or offline tuitions. Tuition has long been one of the most prevalent methods for individuals to generate money. However, as the epidemic spread, online coaching and schooling became the major way the education system relied on. As a result, providing part of your tuition or coaching lessons to students might be really advantageous. This kind of business requires very minimal investment. To teach online lessons, you would need a device such as a phone, laptop, or PC, and possibly a camera is required for proper communication, but nothing else. You will not need to acquire extra skills in this venture since you'll be teaching the topic of your choosing and one that you have skills in. You are just applying what you have learned in school and college or even in the line of duty. You are using your knowledge in certain disciplines here. For example, a science student who is also proficient in arithmetic. So you may suggest giving math lessons. You are just teaching the learner topics in which you are an expert. This approach may also be used offline. Then, you'll need a study area, a large writing board, seats, and a marker. Tuition is one of the most popular ways to make money since most students need additional lessons. Number 9. Freelancing. Freelancing has traditionally been seen as a profitable small business venture. Many individuals prefer freelancing over working a regular job. You may accomplish a lot as a reputable freelancer, whether as a side income or more. You may start freelancing by selling your services on Fiverr.com or Freelancer.com. It's especially popular in India, where you can perform voiceovers, translations, transcribe people's text, content writing, logo design, and even programming. This might be the ideal small business, but it all comes down to matching with the right customer. Because it is a low-cost company plan with a high profit, established freelancers may make hundreds of dollars in today's labor. Working from anywhere and on your own schedule is another advantage that makes freelancing one of the greatest business ideas. So freelancing is a tried and true method of beginning a small company and eventually making it huge. This is a low investment approach for pursuing your passion while earning money. Number 8. Selling handcraft products. If you can create tiny and original handcrafts, you may use them to start a company. Selling your handwork and handcrafts online is becoming more popular. Selling handcrafts, as opposed to an offline company that entails real shops and stores, will only provide you with greater visibility. This is because internet websites are easier to find than traveling to a real store. There is a market for any craft you produce, whether made of glass, soap, candles, or ceramics. The props needed to create such items are generally inexpensive. As a result, selling your created work might provide you with a significant income. Number 7. Online cooking classes. Any teaching course may help you make a solid living. Cooking lessons, like education programs, are in high demand. As a result, an online cooking class is an excellent way to start a company. It is also a low-investment business concept since all you need to get started is a kitchen and some culinary equipment. Of course, you'll already have a kitchen in your home. You will also need a camera, which will be inexpensive, and you are ready to begin. Number 6. Online fashion boutique. Fashion is yet another noteworthy trend. Today, the fashion and lifestyle business is one of the most demanding and busy industries. So, if you can capitalize on such a market, the profit potential is enormous. This market's demand is growing exponentially. And you should know it has significant potential, particularly online. It does not necessarily imply that you must be a professional specialist in a topic such as fashion design. However, you must be well versed in the subject. Then you'll find it much simpler to market your items or promote companies. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. To understand affiliate marketing, consider the following example. You review a newly released camera, create a video review, and publish it on YouTube. You also include hyperlinks in the video description. These links are unique because if someone clicks on them and purchases the camera from Amazon, you will get a percentage of the sale. This is why reviewers post so many links. It is also one of India's top low-investment small business ideas. Affiliate marketing is regarded as one of the most profitable companies to start. Check out the Amazon Associate Program and the Shopify Affiliate Program if you're interested in affiliate marketing. Number 4. Printing on demand. Another good business to start in 2022 is printing. Sometimes the design is complete, but there's no means to print it. That is where print on demand comes into play and is regarded as the finest small business. Someone else may design the t-shirts, and you can profit from their printing. These new company concepts become considerably simpler to implement if you include a distribution component. Before we look at the top 3 ways you can start a business with low investment, give it a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. In the 3rd spot, we have reviewing products. Product reviews are a simple business that can be established online with little cost. Before purchasing a product, people want to read and watch reviews. Use this desire to start a small company evaluating items. This is a popular business concept. Is this a new product on the market? Purchase it and post a video to YouTube to express your thoughts. This is one of the most profitable small business ideas since it enables you to create lessons on the features and functions of various technologies and goods. Many people buy expensive devices on a whim and never utilize them to their full potential. Through your evaluations, you may be their savior. As many homemakers may evaluate beauty items or garments from many websites, it is one of the top business ideas for women. Number 2. Graphic designing. Graphic design is the best business to start in 2022 since content only sells when it is visually appealing. Logos are only successful when visually appealing, hence, graphic designers are in high demand. It is a growing small business concept since many entrepreneurs want a graphic designer to assist them in creating unique websites. If you have a talent for picture editing or design, graphic design is the greatest place to start. This industry is flourishing and is a hotshot you may pursue this year. Simply visiting freelance marketplaces such as Fiverr and Upwork will show you the worldwide need for design. The compensation for this business idea in 2022 is incredible, and you will be able to establish a sizable customer list. Number 1. Podcast. Because of the worldwide epidemic, podcasts were flourishing and were predicted to be the top internet businesses to start in 2022. This is one of the few enterprises currently regarded as a contemporary form of the information exchange, on par with films and written material in terms of value. Podcasts are being actively listened to by people. For instance, Joe Rogan has become a brand with over 6 million followers and podcasts lasting up to 3 hours. It is another low-cost business concept with substantial earning potential because of how many audio adverts you may insert in your podcasts. If your podcasts acquire traction, you may be able to get brand relationships with sponsors such as Squarespace or Audible. They spend a lot of money to appear on prominent podcasts. Podcasts may include other internet business concepts, such as affiliate marketing. Podcasts may be recorded at home and do not need a significant expenditure. You can even record an audio file using your phone's microphone. Podcasts will always be on the list of small business ideas since you can submit them to websites like Anchor.fm, which will then disseminate your podcast all over the globe. The first step is to choose your category and invest in that specific sector. It is critical to understand the market and the sort of company you intend to establish. There are many amazing and efficient business ideas to pick from, but you must be knowledgeable about them. However, it is simple to get started once you understand since they take little cost. As a result, you may start your own company and benefit handsomely with minimal investment. That brings us to the end of today's video. Which one of these businesses would you consider starting? Also, which other businesses might we have left out? Please share with us in the comments section. Subscribe and share the video with your loved ones. Until the next one, stay safe and stay working. Adios!